Greetings and welcome to another thing by Adventure Link. And in this thing we're going to do an unboxing, adventures, and review. And yes, I can say adventures because, as you can see, we have a radio-controlled four-wheel drive rock crawler here that I got from Bob Button in exchange for this fair and honest review, as well as for testing demonstration purposes. Got it on a significant discount. So let's get started here. This is part of what the box looks like. It's from Fisca. I forgot the product name, or I forgot how to pronounce it, but I probably butchered it. But yeah, I'll put a link in the video description here. This is pretty much the box here. If you want to pause the video and read over the instructions, you can do that. And let's get started here. Looks like you can just undo this because it's a perforated rather, see? Hey, it's the pretty blue one! Yeah! Well, I'll try not to rip this apart like a savage. As you can see, it's for ages 6 plus, 2.4 gigahertz model. And as I continue to unbox this thing, like a savage, again, like I said I wouldn't. If it will be as it was your birthday, then congratulations and make it a good one. And I want to say thanks in advance for supporting my channel any way you can. It all helps out, be it by watching this and other videos I put up on YouTube, sharing it with your friends and family and all that. And thanks again for watching this video, of course. Rate, comment, subscribe here on YouTube. It helps to spread it around the YouTube universe, and helps to engage like the activity on the video to help it, to help it go across YouTube and all the other search engines and all that. It also tells YouTube myself if I'm doing a good job or not. And subscribing is, you can see new videos I throw up on YouTube anytime I make a video, like in your YouTube newsfeed or in your weekly YouTube email if you're that lucky, or if I'm that lucky anyway. And if you hit the bell button, you can see all the new videos I throw up on YouTube. Last but not least, if you would make a donation on my medical bills, it's appreciated. It's in the video description. All the links to those in the video description. Any amount helps out, of course. And as Gain from the Undead, or Gain from the Grave rather, would say, it helps to keep this channel alive, and myself alive too, and undead. But yeah, here's the first part. We got all kinds of batteries. Batteries included here. 9-volt battery for the controller. Yay! Here's the rest of the car. I hope. It's not being held up. Here we go. I got it. There's your remote control. And there's the car itself. And the box just fell backwards. Yay! Alright, so with that being said, this concludes the unboxing. Although I will take this out of the zip ties and all that off camera. So let's get started and do that, and while I do that, we'll proceed with the setup. Okay, so now we got the setup of the truck here. First thing you want to do is remove this screw right here with a Phillips head screwdriver. This will open up and expose the battery compartment. Almost like so, just got a little bit farther to go here. Never know how deep these screws go, so yeah. There it is. There's the battery compartment right there. Here's the electrical connector for the battery. And here is the battery itself. It's a 500 milliamp hour battery pack, 4.8 volts. Just stick it in the electrical connector like so. If I can hold the truck up better, that would be awesome. If I can get the orientation right, that'd be awesome too. No flashing lights or anything. Oh well. At least I believe this electrical connector's in there, so that takes care of the setup. And of course, reverse or removal is your installation, but as a tip, make sure to stuff the electrical cords down there. Put the battery compartment door over top here, if you can. Shut it down, and then you can screw it off here. And if I can align the screw, that would be great. There we go. Screw it in place. And once you feel a bite and start to strip, job's done. And she's ready to roll. Yeah. And here's the 9-volt battery pack for the controller. This is simple too, just undo that down there with your brute strength. There is the orientation for the battery pack right in here. Follow the orientation, match positive to positive, negative to negative. Just like so. And stuff it into the controller here. Shut the door down. On-off switch. That's on. That's got power, so we're good here for sure. Now, as far as the truck, turn that on. Great, we got power. Sweet. And of course, you get your steering adjuster here. Don't play with that unless you absolutely have to or want to. There should be instructions on that on the box, so I'll have to double check. But yeah, as you can see, we're set up. We're ready to go here. Sweet. And of course, this here is your battery charger. Just like with the AO Transformer car review thing I did, this is another one of those USB charger blocks. So, get out your, like power strip for USBs or hubs or whatever you want to call them. I keep forgetting the actual terminology. Or get like a phone charger block or something. About 2 amps will do you. So yeah, just plug it in here, put your battery in here, and let it charge for about 5 hours and it'll be good. Right, 4.6 volts at 250 or 4.8 volts at 250 milliamps, sorry. Input is 5 volts at 1 amp. So make sure you have at least a 1 amp charging source, like make sure your charging block is 1 amp or your hub is 1 amp, and you'll be good to go. Personally, these days I'd recommend 2 amps or even a turbocharger, but hey, it's up to you. As long as it's 1 amp, you're good. Now let's actually go out and show this thing off. Okay, so we're outside here with our RC rock crawler. Let's go and demonstrate and see what it's made of. It would be great if I actually turned the power on. Yeah, that's the thing. Wait a minute. Power's on here, but it wasn't on for the remote. Yeah, make sure all the power switches are on, kids and ladies and gentlemen. See, this is why we do unscripted YouTube videos. You get to learn as I go. I make the mistakes so you don't have to. Well, at least makes decent circles anyway. Nice little figure 8 here. Now let's play along with the range. I'm going to make it go down the driveway and turn it back around. And she's coming right back for me. We're also going to show off what this thing can really do when it comes to its main job of rock crawling. That's pretty decent range. I'm still up here and this thing is still going. Dang, this is like the Energizer Bunny. It just keeps going and going and going and going. See, times like this, I wish I would have had someone to actually edit this, not necessarily edit the video, but, zoom in and out for me. That way I could still play with the car and they could control it for me. But I do it to Hunter a lot, so hey, there is that. Oh, hey, it actually has recovered. Yay, sweet. Let's make it come home. Or I'm going to come to the home, but I'm going to make it come closer to me to make my life easier. And we're going to go find some rocks and, actually, rock climb with this car. Okay, here's the car. Here's a pile of rocks. Now, we're going to climb the pile of rocks. If I can go in the right direction, that is. Maybe if I start back farther, then go up, that would be great. Well, I guess it looks like it's not going to climb this pile of rocks. Or wait. It made a little farther. It was probably too big for this pile of rocks. Oh well, let's try something a little simpler. I can see a little hill over here. I'll try to direct the car towards the hill here. If I can get it going in the right direction, that is. There's the car. And there's the hill. Yeah, making sure I'm still be able to see the car in the viewfinder. Bright sun stinks. Well, can't climb that rock. Got up a little farther than that, but I'll keep trying here. Hey, can leave. Oh, it tipped over. Oh well, at least it can go in the dirt fine, so that's good. Go in the dirt. Lay cars. There's the car again. Hey, I think it's trying to do something. Oh! Oh, it tipped over. But hey, at least it's four-wheel drive. And we do have four-wheel drive, so it says advertised as a four-wheel drive truck. One more time, make sure I got the car in the viewfinder. There she is. Let's see if we can't climb the rocks some more. Went over the stick fine. That's good. But we're trying to make it climb rocks. Looks like it's trying to crawl through something. Digging tires. Yay! Hey, 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 it's doing it. It's doing it. With a little hesitation, it looks like it's going to do it. Or it's just going to keep digging into the rocks, whatever. At least it tried. Oh, it got stuck by the stick. Oh well, I'll move the stick out of the way. There, stick's out of the way. And the car's still in my viewfinder, so let me step back some and see if we can't get up the hill. Okay, so after we had some fun in the grass and the dirt and up rock mountains, I have to say, this little car, you know, I guess depends upon the size of the rock mountain and how many rocks there are. I guess it does live up to its job. It was a little bit of finagling and finessing. Eventually, it just did clear that small hill, though. You may or may not be able to see that, because these Motorola Z2 Forces have these nasty habits of anything below 15% battery charge. They tend to go slow as heck, and also these things tend to only record, say, 10 to 15 minutes of video at once. I don't know why. It's just one of its things that it does. But like I said, it varies, depends upon the kind of rock. So as far as the rock climbing, it's alright, I guess. Other than that, this is a pretty nice car. Pretty decent range. Nice little rock climber here. If you got a pretty small or mid-sized mountain of rocks or something stable like that other little small mountain pile there. This thing, for the most part, does turn itself back over when it's tipped over. And I was like, that's nice. It does that. There's even an adjuster knob here. I don't know what this does, but this is most likely for the steering. But it's a nice high torque motor, pretty quick, good distance. At the time of this video, this was 23 bucks on Amazon with your Prime. So, in my opinion, if you're looking for a nice little fun toy, like a birthday present or something to screw around with, I'd say this is a pretty good deal. Pretty good little toy here. I had fun with it. Lots of fun. In fact, with RC Car Adventures, this is a new contender to it. A worthy contender, and you'll be seeing more of this on YouTube. So with that being said, that's it for my review on this RC 4x4 rock climber here. Once again, I'm Adventure Link. Thanks again for watching, your support of my channel. Like I said, the link for this product will be in the video description. Special thanks once again goes out to Bob Button for sending me this product on a significant discount in exchange for this fair and honest review, as well as for testing and demonstration purposes. And we're going to sign off with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy. Be safe, have fun, and stay dirty. Yay! And don't forget to play with your toys. See y'all next time. See this again in RC Vehicles Adventures in the future. Have a good one.